In this video, I will show you how to upload or approve our template and how to shoot a campaign. On Chidio, go to the left-hand panel, go to the template library. Here, on the right-hand top, go to create a template, go to WhatsApp template. Here, choose the right type category of your template. It can be a marketing. Marketing means if you're talking about your product, if you're giving any offer, like that. Or it's a utility means that if someone messaged you or filled up a form on Facebook or have an inquiry, you're replying to them. So choose the right one, put a template name like this. I'm putting Lance as an inquiry, just for an example one. Put a template type. There is a default and carousel. The default means if you want to send one picture, one video, or one PDF. If you want to send multiple pictures, multiple videos, then go ahead with the carousel. You can also change the language of your communication as well. Go to next. In the header sections, please choose a right kind of media you are going to upload. It can be an image, it can be a video. Suppose I'm going ahead with the image one. Please check the maximum file size here. Okay. Every media has a different file size. Right here in the body, the message you want to say. After that, if you want to put a name, suppose you have 1,000 of database and for each people, you want to make it more personalized with the name. There is a section called add variable. Click on it. Once you click on the add variable, put an example here in the one section. So suppose I am putting my name as an example here. You do not have to put the 1,000 people's name here. The system will automatically fetch the name from the sheet. Here, my name or any name beside one is giving an example. This is just for an example. Here put is see the product details. So I'm giving a little bit of knowledge here. In case of you want to put any other informations, maybe the location, offer details, you can put multiple variables. For each variable, you have to define an example. Again, the variable actual database will be picked while you were sending the campaign. Once it is done, if you want to add emoticons, you can do it. If you want to bold or make an italic, please use this as an example. If in the footer sections, you have to write reply stop to unsubscribe. This is a mandatory disclaimer that you have to give. It gives an opportunity for your clients and customers to opt out if they do not want. So they will not block you immediately. They will stop and unsubscribe themselves. Those people who will unsubscribe will be coming around under the label called unsubscribe list on your contacts. So it's a mandatory. You can rewrite the sentence in a different word, go a little creative, like please stop if you don't want to listen to us from like that. If you want to add a button, please choose go and add a button. The button can be three types. If you want to add a phone number, you can choose. If you want to put a link, any link, it can be a form link, it can be a website link or anything. And if you want to put a quick reply means when the customers want to say something that will help them to initiate the conversations. It encourages the customers interactions more, and it is advisable to use quick reply for each template. One thing. Second thing, quick reply will help you to discuss the customers or take the informations, trigger a workflow from there. So here I'm going ahead with three things as an example. So suppose I want to give a visit website. So you can rewrite the button text like visit website or fill up the form, like form link, anything like that. There are three types of URL you can see. One is a dynamic, one is static, one is dynamic without link tracking. Static means you can put the website URL here, but the Cheerio will not track this URL. If it is a dynamic, Then Chudio will track the link tracking. And here you have to just put an example, the actual website link or the form link you can send while sending the campaign in the campaign sections, not right now. You want to add a call a phone number, you have to put the phone number here. Like I'm putting a text like talk to us or call us. Anything you want to put the button text, put the phone number. Here the 911 defines that you have to put the 911 here without the plus, without any space. Like this. If you want to put a quick reply, add a quick reply like no more interested or anything you want to be specific here. Like this. Once it is done, there is an option to save draft or submit template. So I am going ahead with the submit template here. Once I do the submit template, it takes just a few seconds to get the template submissions, and in a minute it will get, you will know whether it is approved or not. Normally it takes a minute, but it's better to take a few minute times before if there is an urgency, because sometimes Meta can delay the process. The algorithm is completely on Meta, so whether it's rejected or accepted, it completely depends on Meta. So you can see it is approved. To check whether it is approved or not, please go ahead and refresh the page. And similarly, if you want to go ahead with the carousel, so go ahead, WhatsApp template, put the marketing as an example. I am putting as a name as supposed TST, whatever I'm putting a name here. You can put the template type here as a carousel. Here, the carousel template has a format. The format is that there is a bubble at the bottom top. There is a message card where you can attach a picture, you can attach a body, and you can give a button. So suppose I'm giving as an example here, you can put an upload an image here like this, write the text here, and you can put a button. The button can be 2 maximum for each pictures, and the type of button should be same. So if you're going with a one website link and one quick reply, that format will be same for the consecutive pictures as well. So suppose I'm here putting as in no more. In the next picture, you can upload different pictures, of course, but it should be pictures only. And you can write a different text. It can be different, but you can attach a different link also. You do not have to be same. And the button text will be also can be different, but the format of buttons, the type of button should be same, like interested. Once it is done, you can put a submit template or save draft if you are ready. Like me, it's not done, so I'm going here with the save draft. So it will be saved on the draft sections. In case of you want to check the draft sections, go here, go with the my drafts. Your all the drafts template will be available here. That's it. Thank you.